Dear students, welcome to online class 7, subject English second paper, topic article. Our school has been started online class because of coronavirus. Fill in the gaps with a, an, or, the, and put a cross mark where no article is used. Dear students, grammatical items at first. Question number 1, same. There is a passage will be given and the question. Now students will be used a, an, or, the, and the fill in the gaps. We know that a, an, and the are called article in English. A, an are called indefinite article because a, an only indicates a person or a thing indefinitely. The is a definite article because the indicates a person or persons or a things definitely. Okay. At first, you will read the passage carefully to know the Bengali meaning of the passage. If you know the Bengali meaning of the passage, you will use the correct form of use a, an, or, the. So, in this passage, first sentence, Mita is dash meritorious student. We know that article is used only before singular or plural nouns. But if any adjective is used before a singular noun or pronoun, then we use article before an adjective. So, it is a meritorious student. This is a singular common noun. So, we use where is marker? In the fill in the gap, indefinite article a. Number 2, she is. After she is dash student of class 7. It is in this sentence, student is a singular countable noun. So, in this fill in the gap, a indefinite article a will be used in this fill in the gaps. She is always attentive to her dash studies. Number 3, studies. Always remember that there is no article or article is not used before a uncountable noun. In this sentence, studies means uncountable noun. অর্থাৎ যে নাউনগুলি গণনা করা সম্ভব হয় না সেই নাউনগুলিকে বলা হয় আনকাউন্টেবল নাউন। আর যে নাউনগুলিকে গণনা করা সম্ভব সেই নাউনগুলিকে বলা হয় কাউন্টেবল নাউন। সো in this fill in the gap we use cross mark. Okay, then Mita always sits in the first bench in the classroom. অর্থাৎ মিতা সর্বদাই শ্রেণীকক্ষে প্রথম বেঞ্চে বসে। We know that the first bench, first that means original number, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. We use the definite article before the first. The will be used in the fill in the gaps because first is the original number. অর্থাৎ আমরা জানি যে ক্রমবাচক যে সংখ্যাগুলি আছে সেগুলির আগে ডিফিনিট আর্টিকেল দি ব্যবহৃত হয়। নেক্সট, she does not make a noise in the classroom. She does not make a noise in the classroom. Classroom is a countable singular noun. So, definite article is used before the noun. Next, she is one dash best students in the class. এই সেন্টেন্সটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি she means মিতা। মিতা ক্লাসের ভিতরে সবচেয়ে ভালো ছাত্রী। So, we use the definite article the before the best student. That means best. It is a form of adjective forms of superlative. We know that any adjective, if any adjective is used before a singular or a plural countable noun, then definite article the will be used before the noun. As she is dash affable girl, everybody loves him. অর্থাৎ যেহেতু ওই বালিকাটি একটি অ্যাফেবল মিন্স ভদ্র নম্র, সেই কারণে প্রত্যেকেই তাকে ভালোবাসে। So, in this sentence, the word affable is A is used. A is the first letter of the word and A is vowel. So, indefinite article and will be used before affable girl. অর্থাৎ ভদ্র ওই বালিকাটির আগে ইনডিফিনিট আর্টিকেল অ্যান ব্যবহৃত হবে। নেক্সট, she is also dash honest girl. In this sentence, honest is understood. অর্থাৎ এখানে আমাদের is অনুচ্চারিত উচ্চারণ হবে না। So indefinite article and will be used before honest girl. Homework. Practice uses of articles. That's enough for all. See again. Okay. Thank you.